So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today we are discussing about malignant pleural disease. Pleural mesothelioma is a cancer of lining of the lungs known as the pleura. It is caused by inhaling asbestos fiber. Malignant pleural mesothelioma accounts for 80 to 90% of all mesothelioma diagnosis. Symptoms of pleural mesothelioma include shortness of breath, dry cough, and chest pain. Now, what is a pleural mesothelioma? Malignant pleural mesothelioma is a rare cancer of lining around the lungs called the pleura. It is caused by asbestos fiber. After inhalation, the fiber can embed in the pleura, causing inflammation and scarring. Over time, these processes can lead to the development of mesothelioma tumors. Now, what is the prognosis for pleural mesothelioma? As with all types of malignant mesothelioma, prognosis for pleural malignant mesothelioma depends on a number of factors. For patients who don't receive treatment, the median survival time is 6 months. However, certain types of treatment can improve life expectancy such as surgery combined with chemotherapy. Now, most important mesothelioma prognosis factor of pleural malignant mesothelioma patient are: first point is cell type, histopathology, and second point is stage of mesothelioma, and third point is gender and age. Most pleural mesothelioma patients are diagnosed with the epithelioid cells type, which is the most common. Epithelioid cells typically form in solid sheets or cord arrangements, meaning they adhere closely together and don't metastasize quickly. They are also the most responsive to treatment. Typically, pleural mesothelioma patient with the epithelioid cell type survive 19 months. Now, what is causes pleural mesothelioma? Malignant pleural mesothelioma is caused by inhalation of asbestos fiber. The mineral slivers can travel through lung tissue and lodge in pleura. Over time, asbestos fiber cause inflammation. The fiber can also active biological pathways that lead to DNA damage. As a result, mesothelioma tumors may develop. Other factors may contribute to development of mesothelioma, including iridium exposure. Iridium is a natural mineral similar to asbestos. It has been linked to mesothelioma and lung cancer. Radiation exposure. Radiation treatments for cancer can damage healthy cells, potentially leading to cancer. Prior radiation therapy has been tentatively linked to mesothelioma. What are the symptoms of pleural mesothelioma? After asbestos exposure, it can take 10 to 50 years for pleural mesothelioma symptoms to present. Symptoms typically first present in chest cavity and respiratory system. Now, how is pleural mesothelioma diagnosed? Diagnosing pleural mesothelioma often consists of multiple tests. One or more imaging scans, such as an X-ray or CT scan, may be performed first to identify tumors or metastasis spreading of disease. If a tumor is detected, blood tests may be performed to look for certain biomarkers. High levels of specific substances in the blood, which can help differentiate mesothelioma from other conditions. Currently, a biopsy is the only way to verify a malignant pleural mesothelioma diagnosis. Tests like a thoracentesis or thoracoscopy may be performed to take a tissue or fluid sample for analysis. For a thoracentesis, doctor will insert a fine needle to remove fluid buildup in the chest. A thoracoscopy is more invasive. Doctor insert a weaving tube called a thoracoscope into the chest to inspect the lungs and surrounding pleura. They can remove a tissue sample or draw fluid for analysis. After the biopsy, a pathologist will study the cells to make a definitive diagnosis, including cell type and how the disease is expected to progressive. Now, pleural mesothelioma treatment. Pleural mesothelioma is typically treated with a multimodal approach combining standard treatments like surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. A pleural mesothelioma treatment plan will largely depend on the cell type and stage of disease. Generally, treatment plans are not intended to cure the disease. Mesothelioma surgery is common for pleural mesothelioma patients. The surgery may be aggressive with the goal of extending life expectancy or less aggressive with the goal of palliating system relieving discomfort. Surgery may be an option for early stage malignant pleural mesothelioma patient. Pleurectomy decortication (PD) is one common surgical option that involves removal of lining of the lungs and chest wall as well as other impacted tissue and organs. Another option is an extrapleural pneumonectomy. The more aggressive procedure include removing the affected lungs part of the diaphragm and the lining of the heart and lungs. Recent clinical trials have found these surgeries can extend life expectancy to around 3 years, especially when applied multimodally with chemotherapy and or radiation. So guys, thanks for watching, and like, subscribe and share. If you want more videos like this, then comment me.